come true.
Hey lovers and friends, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining, I do hope you stay, you subscribe, and you become part of Life with Munch. If you're returning, thank you so much for your dedication, time, and your effort. In today's video, I am vlogging. So, if you are interested, just carry on watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, good morning. I wasn't gonna vlog. I wasn't because I still have footage on my phone, number one, that I am still editing. Number two, I'm tired, so I'm resting technically today. But somebody called me and they said that they've got a delivery for me. So I was like, how can I not vlog me unboxing? Like, make it make sense, sweetie. So today's Friday, the 7th of August. And I'm getting a package. Okay. They even put Munch on the box. Look. Munch. It's for me. I'm so excited. I can't even read. Yo, wait. Okay, let me put this down here so I can show you guys properly. This is the pamphlet that came. Guys, look! My name! Again, my name! Hi, Munch. Dear Munch, this Women's Month would love to spoil you with the CANDI & Co. X Mizani box. You are so amazing. And yo, my brother, things are getting very emotional. Woo! You're so amazing, and we think, okay guys, I need to relax because I can't even read. You understand? My brain is. Okay, let's come back. Dear Munch, this Women's Month, we would love to spoil you with the CANDI & Co. X Mizani box. You are amazing, and we think you're owning it in the hair game. Much love, Candace. Oh, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we've got my brother. Hey. We've got this Miracle Hair Length conditioner. Then we've got, hey. Okay, this is also another kind of conditioner. Then we've got a scalp care shampoo. We've got, we've got Miracle Milk. What? Okay, Strength Fusion Post Chemical Treatment. Intense nighttime treatment. Oh, let me open this and see. Hey, what's this now? Okay, this is called a hairdress. It's hey. Then we've got starting. Oh yes, this is so nice. heat protective, and then we've got scalp care. Then Moroccan clay steam mask. Yo guys, oh, it's about to go down. Curl defining pudding. Oh, another hairdress. Is it the same thing? No, it's not the same thing. Okay, so this is a coconut souffle. The first hairdress is a coconut souffle, and this one is a rose H20 souffle. Obviously, I'm gonna read all the how to use it and this is everything I got. What I want. I'm so happy, so grateful. Thank you so much to CANDI and Co. And Mizani for sending me these amazing products. Hey guys, what's up? Today's Tuesday. I spoke to you guys on Friday, and since Friday, a lot has happened. You know, not really. I'm just being dramatic. But something new is that I got gifted some furniture pieces or decorative pieces for my apartment, which I'm really grateful for. Shout out to you. Thank you so much, M. I'm not sure if she's comfortable with me saying her name on camera, so I'm just gonna leave it at M. Really appreciate it. So I've managed to put together a new background for my YouTube videos. I'm so happy that I have the base of my bed back, because I don't know why I didn't think of this, because initially I actually wanted to put the shower curtain on the wall, and then I tried using masking tape, but because this wall is like, it's I don't know, it's textured, you can't, nothing sticks to it really. The masking tape doesn't stick to it, so I just, you know, let that idea go altogether. So when she gave me, like, there were some paintings there, and the paintings had double-sided tape, and I was like, oh yes, double-sided tape. Let me use double-sided tape to hold the shower curtain. So that's what I've done. I just need to get new double-sided tape, however, because obviously this double-sided tape was on the paintings, you know, and it's not fresh, it's not new, so it's not, some parts of the shower curtain were like coming off because the double-sided tape was used before. So I just need to get a new double-sided tape. Oh yeah, something interesting that's happening today is I am shooting a new title sequel. I think that's what it's called. Like the little intro for my YouTube channel. I've had the one that I have, the Laugh Like This, come true with me falling on the grass and laughing for over a year, and I'm definitely tired of it, and I'm shooting a new one today. I want to keep the song. I think I want to keep the song. I like the song, and I feel like people have that connection with the song. You know, it's actually crazy that I think I probably knew, but it wasn't really clicking, that people actually sing along to the song, the actual song. I think that's cute. Like, I watch a lot of YouTube videos, so I sing along to people's songs, you know, but I never thought people would sing along to my, I don't know, it was just not registering like that, if you get what I mean. I'll try to get behind the scenes footage with my friend's phone if it's gonna be possible, because obviously I'm shooting with my phone. I'm shooting the thing with my phone. Yes, let's get busy. See you guys later. Hey guys, good morning. What's up? Hope you guys are good. My voice still sounds like this because it's very early in the morning. Well, I just woke up, and yeah. So remember, on the last footage, I said that my friend was coming and we we're gonna shoot an intro, blah blah blah. She came through yesterday, but because we hadn't seen each other in such a long time, all we did was talk, you know, and then we had lunch, And then I remembered like halfway that I'm supposed to be vlogging, and then like I realized that the footage doesn't make sense because I'm vlogging mid, and then I forgot after a while, so I'm not gonna use that footage. So I'll vlog today properly. Like I have it in my mind that I need to vlog. So I'll be vlogging today. She's gonna come through. We're gonna go for a walk. Then we're gonna start taking the pictures and the videos and all of that. Oh, I guess see you guys later. Is wild west. South Africa is a wild west. And then we turn back. Next thing, these people are getting inside this house. So basically they are like trying to break in someone's house.
Hey, how are you feeling?
I'm fine.
I
feel good. Okay, so I am all done with my face and everything. I'm about to leave now, and she's gonna come pick me up. Then we're gonna go take the pictures. I've got the bag over here. This is the bag with my outfit changes for the video, for the intro. As I've said, I'll try shoot with her phone. If not, I'll just update you here and there. Okay, let's go. Wave for the camera. We just got to location number 1. Hopefully this comes out the way we want. done with the first scene. We took some pictures as well. I hope you guys can hear me. It's windy, but I hope you can hear me. So we're gonna change now. Outfit number 2 and different location. That's what's happening. Okay. But did I do it properly? Can I keep it? So I just got back home from the photo shoot. It was very successful. We got amazing pictures, amazing videos. Listen. I'll insert like one picture over here so you guys can see the work that we did. Yeah, it was a good day. It was a very productive day, so I'm happy. I'm really happy. I'm gonna start editing like the video. Let me close off the vlog because I feel like once I take off my makeup and change and everything, I'm definitely going to forget to close the vlog. So I just thought, let me do that. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found this vlog entertaining. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below. Please share this video on your social media platforms. I would love my channel to reach a larger audience, and I need your help in doing so. And most importantly, please subscribe. Okay, stay tuned into the channel. See you next time. Bye.